Kisumu County.
Kwa Kisumu nyakor mgajwang nonre wi sukari manolal bwa mathika chalo magore Luanda sama koro gunde maloya 20,000 mag sukari mantiere gi kwiri nyalo bedo ni ntiere e chiro.
Mago yang kawuono e kinde ma apisa mag duol mochune ng'iyo rang'iny mag mondi pachoka KEBS nochopo e nyim komiti mar od bura mar ohala mar duoko penjo e wi mibadhi mar sukari.
Jod bura go dwaro mondo mi apisas mag KEBS, KRA kod DCI ochopo e nyim gi juma manyien.
Started from far, and the whole saga seems to be having a lot of circles.
Paragraph 1, 2, and 3 are the same. There is something that more than meets the eye here.
Playing cool. Maybe you fear being chased away because the person who has the mandate to chase you or bring you back is the minister. We are not going to play games for your survival on Kenyan life. We are talking of sugar which is contaminated bad in our stomachs.
We have visited a total of 300 outlets to date and seized a total of 52 metric tons of suspected substandard sugar. The team has been looking out for sugar without valid standardization mark, poorly packaged sugars, sugar packed in packages without indicating the manufacture and expiry date. The inspectors are going further and asking the procurement details of the sugar being offered for sale.
Lidi winjo kaka wach mar sukari